Cattle Call. What's up? Brian Lee, actor extraordinaire. Check it out. What's up? How long have you been waiting in line, bro?
3.5 hours.
Wow. So what's up? How long have you been waiting in line?
We've been here about an hour and a half.
Wow.
Yeah.
What up, yo yo?
My parents are from, like, actually.
Here's my posse over here. What's up? Say hi, guys.
Let's go, Lakers!
Pretty crazy.
What is it?
So this is for a Coca-Cola print ad. Pays like $2 grand, and it's like open casting call. Nice pants. What's up, guys? Say hi. You're on TV. Long ass line. Anybody who's anybody is trying to book this audition. Right? What's up? Keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Some people have been waiting like 3 hours. What's up, guys? The search for the next Coca-Cola Zero sports fan. Pretty long ass line. Umbrellas prepared. Smart. And here we go. How long you been waiting in line, bro?
I just got here.
Sweet.